beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the April Boxycharm sneak peeks. I have some more to add to the first video I did on the sneak peeks. I will link that video, the previous video, up above because in that video I have a lot more detail on some of the previous sneak peeks. I'm not going to get that much in detail on some of these products, but if you want to see the first video, you can always refer to that first one. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box, if anybody doesn't know, where you'll get 5 full-size beauty products each and every month, valued at least $125. So if anybody's interested in joining, I always have the links below and the possible bonus gifts available at this time. Okay, let's get into it, ladies. First, we're going to take a look at the Boxycharm Premium Box. Okay, first, let's talk about our choice items in our Premium Box. We had to pick from Stila Cosmetics, the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Then from Kapari Beauty, the Coconut Face Cream. From Peach and Lily, the Good Acids Pore Toner. Then from Cover FX, the Cloud Primer. Then lastly, from Becca Cosmetics, the Luminous Blush in various shades. The second item in the Premium Box will be one of these 4 items. It's either the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag Palette. From Pharmacy Beauty, the Honey Potion Hydration Mask. From Pure Cosmetics, the Pure Cosmetics Barbie Anniversary Palette. Then lastly, from Smashbox Cosmetics, the LA Cover Shot Eyeshadow Palette. Now on to the new sneak peeks. This is our third premium sneak peek. It's from the brand Natasha Denona. It's the Natasha Denona Blush Duo, and this Blush Duo sells for $38. It comes in several different shades. It's a soft and silky texture of each shade in the Blush Duo. It brings a natural looking and a bright look to the skin's complexion. This Duo Blush palette provides a dominant color and a subtler color for blending and softening edges. So the way you're supposed to use this palette is you're supposed to apply the blush shade on the right side of the palette, which is the darker shade, in circular motions on the apples of your cheeks. Then you apply the shade on the left side of the palette to help blend and soften the edges. This is not a highlighter. I saw where in the comments some people didn't like it. They said the highlighter didn't show much, but it's not a highlighter. It's a deeper shade blush and a subtler tone of the same shade to use to blend it out. Looking at the reviews, it gets a 3.6 out of 5 with only 52 reviews. A lot of people loved it. They said it was glowy, natural looking, pigmented, and beautiful. Now some people did say they were disappointed and it was not so pigmented. And this is on all the different shades. Now I want to show you all the shades they have. In the standard size matte finish shades, they have shade 04 is the pink matte. And this is a baby pink with pink gold shimmer. And then we have 05 electric pink. This is a matte powder pink and a matte neon hot pink. Then 07 is natural beige. It's a champagne peach shimmer and a warm bronze shimmer with tan. Then 11 is burnt orange. It's a champagne peach shimmer and a matte burnt orange. Number 16 is a matte nude. This is a champagne peach shimmer and a matte brick red. Boy, that's pretty. Now this next set is a standard size satin finished blush. 03 is peach. This is a champagne peach shimmer, and on the right a warm peach with shimmer. Then number 13 is a golden Caribbean coral. It's champagne peach shimmer and a deep coral with light champagne shimmer. Number 14, golden coral. This is champagne peach shimmer and a warm pink with slight champagne sheen. And the last one is 15, sheer nude. This one is a champagne shimmer, and on the right a light terracotta cream sheen. The next sneak peek is from a brand called Lovato. It's the Age Away Replenishing Cream. Now this one sells for $69, and this is a new brand to Boxycharm. This brand is a natural therapeutic skin and body care line specializing in the herbal plant chemistry with clinical proven results. This product is for skin types dry and mature skin. The ingredients are summer snowflake, that's a flower, plant-based hyaluronic acid, and grapefruit seed oil. This product will delay the cellular aging process, increase hydration, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In the Zoe report, it was named one of the best new beauty products dropping in November of 2019. So this might be one that we want to try. But boy, I don't know how this is going to work, what the variation is going to be, if it's one or the other, or maybe both. They did not say. They just dropped 2 sneak peeks that possibly be in the April premium box. Now let's go on to the April base box. The first product that we'll all receive in our base box is from Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Professional Primer. You will either get the OG Original or the Hydrating Primer. These both sell for $32. Then we got to pick our choice product. The first option is from Elemis. It's the Superfood Cica Calm Hydrating Juice. This comes in a 50 ml bottle and it's $48. This will moisturize and improve the look of your skin texture for a more even, calm, and balanced looking complexion. The second item was also from Elemis. It's the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. This comes in an 180 milligram or a 6.09 ounce bottle. It sells for $32 and it will cleanse, soothe, and balance your skin. Then the third item you could have chose from is from Zoeva, a collection of 10 different palettes. If you'd like to know more about these 10 different palettes, please refer to my previous April sneak peek video that I linked early on at the beginning of this video. Okay, next we have several variations that you could possibly receive in your base box. The first one we've seen before is the Barrington lashes in the style Monroe. It's the 3D lashes that sell for $32. These will accentuate your eyes. It will add moderate length and dramatic volume to your natural lashes. It's 100% handmade and can be used up to 25 times. The next product is from the brand Hank & Henry. It's the Midori sponges. He sells 2 different sizes. It looks like we get 2 of them. I'm not sure if they're both large or if it's a small one and a large one. The small ones sell for $9 and the large one sells for like $14. And he does sell them in a duo for $23. Ooh, next we have from Dose of Colors, the Lip It Up Satin Lipstick. These sell for $17 and they come in 10 different shades. It's a richly pigmented full coverage lipstick with a creamy satin finish. The ultra creamy formula feels smooth and flexible on the lips. Of course, it's cruelty-free, talc-free, paraben-free, and vegan. It gets a 4.1 out of 5 stars on Ulta with 95 reviews. Even application, true to color, great color selection, long-lasting, moisturizing, and some of the cons are drying, not true to color, wears off easily, clumpy application, and some rubs off. This next product is from the brand Iconic London. It's the Illuminator Drops. I think this is the original shade in Champagne Shimmer. And they say, add this liquid shimmer winner to your foundation, primer, moisturizer, or simply use on its own for a super highlighted glow. So if you're saying I've already gotten this will be in someone's box that is new, that has never received it before. The last product is from Lavish Brushes. It's a 5-piece brush set. It's an eyes brush set. It looks like for your eyes. This is a new brand to Boxycharm. We'll have to check these brushes out when we get them, but I love the colorfulness of the colors, especially going into spring. So these are all the sneak peeks I have for you today. If anybody would like to subscribe to Boxy, remember I have all the information and a link in my description area. Remember, I have 2 giveaways going on right now. The first one is I'm giving away a Fenty Moroccan Spice palette. All you have to do is watch this video that I link up above and do the instructions that it tells you to do in the video. You can possibly win that. The last day of the month, I'll pick a winner from the comments on that video. And the second giveaway that I have going on right now is my regular monthly giveaway. I'm giving away 2 Jeffree Star Bloodlust palettes. So if you're interested in getting in with that, I have the rules and regulations listed below, a link to click on them. And it's very easy. I have these every month. Please stay safe and know that I love each and every one of you guys. And until next video, bye. Please hit that like button and subscribe.
I might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark.